Hi everyone, it's Claire at the Fun Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make soy sauce chicken. Here are the ingredients. First of all, let's wash the chicken. Next, we wash the green onion. Chop out the roots. Cut the onion in half. Slice the ginger into pieces. Peel the garlics. Wash all the rest of the ingredients. Soak the chicken into the boiled water for 30 seconds to get rid of the freezer smell. Stuff the sliced ginger and 4 to 5 stems of green onion inside the chicken. Remove previous boiled water and add new water. Half a pot. Add all ingredients to the pot on high fire. Add dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and 5-spice marinade sauce. Now let's prepare the chicken dipping. We will mince the ginger and cut up the green onion. Once the pot is boiling, we can put the chicken in, turn the fire to the lowest, and wait for 25 minutes. Make sure the entire chicken is soaked. Taste the soup to see if it's salty enough. If it's not, you can add more salt to the soup. There's still blood coming out from the thigh area. Let's soak it for a little longer. Let's prepare some hot oil for the dipping sauce. Add salt to the ginger and green onion, then mix. Once the oil is super hot, add to the ginger and green onion. Mix well, and our dipping is ready. Now the chicken is ready. It was soaked for 28 minutes. Take it out of the soup and let it cool down. It's time to cut up the chicken and put it nicely into a plate. Here's our soy sauce chicken. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next video.